Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy to have you here again.
And I'm Umar. Today's episode is Daily Routine, Part 2. We will help you talk about your day in simple English.
This episode will help you practice simple English.
Yes, we will talk about our day in easy sentences.
Let us start with the morning.
In the morning, I have woken up early.
That is good. What have you done after waking up?
I have brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Very good. Have you eaten breakfast?
Yes, I have eaten breakfast with my family.
What have you eaten?
I have eaten eggs, bread, and tea.
Nice. That sounds like a healthy breakfast.
Yes, I have felt fresh after breakfast.
What have you done after breakfast?
I have prepared for my day and I have gone to work.
Good. Have you traveled by bus or by car?
I have traveled by bus today.
Very good. What have you seen on the way?
I have seen many people and many shops.
Excellent. What have you done at work?
I have checked my emails and I have finished my tasks.
That is great. Have you talked to your coworkers?
Yes, I have talked to my coworkers and I have shared some ideas.
Very nice. Communication is important.
Yes, I have learned new things at work.
What have you done at lunchtime?
I have eaten lunch and I have taken a short break.
What have you eaten for lunch?
I have eaten rice and vegetables.
That sounds good. After lunch, what have you done?
I have returned to work and I have completed more tasks.
Excellent. What have you done in the afternoon?
I have answered phone calls and I have helped a customer.
Very good. Have you felt busy today?
Yes, I have been busy, but I have stayed calm.
That is a good habit. Have you learned anything new today?
Yes, I have learned new English words and new work skills.
Wonderful. What have you done after work?
I have come home and I have changed my clothes.
Good. Have you rested a little?
Yes, I have sat down and I have relaxed.
What have you done in the evening?
I have eaten dinner and I have talked to my family.
Very nice. What have you done after dinner?
I have studied English and I have practiced speaking.
That is excellent. What have you practiced?
I have practiced daily routine sentences and simple conversation.
Very good. Have you watched anything today?
Yes, I have watched a short English video.
Nice. Have you understood it?
Yes, I have understood most of it.
Excellent. What have you done before sleeping?
I have prepared my clothes for tomorrow and I have planned my next day.
That is very organized.
Yes, I have tried to stay ready for tomorrow.
What have you learned from today?
I have learned that daily practice helps me improve.
Very good. Let us practice one more time.
Yes, I am ready.
Tell me about your whole day.
I woke up early, I ate breakfast, I went to work, I finished my tasks, I ate lunch, I returned home, I ate dinner, I studied English, and I prepared for tomorrow.
What have you done to improve your English?
I have listened to English every day and I have repeated new sentences.
Very good. That is a strong habit.
I have also spoken with my friend in English.
Excellent. Talking with a friend is very helpful.
Yes, I have felt less afraid when I practice with someone.
What have you done in the morning? Tomorrow plans.
I have prepared my notebook and I have made a list of tasks.
That is very good organization.
I have tried to keep my day simple and productive.
Very nice. What have you enjoyed today?
I have enjoyed learning English and talking about my routine.
That is great. Learning should feel enjoyable.
Yes, I have felt happy because I can speak more clearly now.
Let us practice a few more daily routine sentences.
Yes, I am ready.
Tell me something about your afternoon.
In the afternoon, I finished my work and I took a short rest.
Good. Now say something about your evening.
In the evening, I ate dinner and I watched a little TV.
Very good. Now say something about nighttime.
At night, I studied English and I went to bed early.
What have you done after coming home?
I have washed my hands, and I have changed my clothes.
Very good. What have you done then?
I have helped my family, and I have rested for a while.
Nice. Have you used your phone today?
Yes, I have checked my messages, and I have replied to my friends.
Good. Have you listened to anything in English?
Yes, I have listened to a short English podcast.
Excellent. What have you learned from it?
I have learned new words and new sentences.
That is great. Have you practiced speaking too?
Yes, I have practiced speaking with simple daily routine sentences.
Very nice. What have you done before dinner?
I have taken a short walk, and I have felt fresh.
Good. What have you eaten for dinner?
I have eaten rice, chicken, and salad.
That sounds delicious. What have you done after dinner?
I have sat with my family, and I have talked with them.
Excellent. Have you studied English at night?
Yes, I have studied English for some time.
Very good. What have you practiced?
I have practiced speaking, and I have repeated useful phrases.
Nice. Have you prepared anything for tomorrow?
Yes, I have packed my bag, and I have planned my day.
That is very organized. What have you done before sleeping?
I have brushed my teeth, and I have washed my face.
Very good. How do you feel at the end of the day?
I have felt tired, but happy.
What have you done after your study time?
I have organized my room, and I have kept my things in place.
Very good. That is a nice habit.
I have also prepared my clothes for tomorrow.
Excellent. Have you thought about your plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I have made a small plan for the next day.
That is great. Planning helps a lot.
Yes, I have felt less stressed when I plan ahead.
What have you done for your health today?
I have drunk water, and I have eaten on time.
Very good. Have you taken some rest?
Yes, I have rested for a short time after work.
Nice. Rest is important after a busy day.
I have understood that now.
What have you done before dinner?
I have washed my hands, and I have sat with my family.
Good. Did you talk with them?
Yes, I have talked about my day.
That is very nice. Family time is important.
Yes, I enjoyed the conversation.
What have you done after dinner?
I have watched a little TV, and I have listened to English.
Very good. What have you listened to?
I have listened to a short English podcast.
Excellent. Did you understand it?
Yes, I have understood most of it.
That is great. What have you learned from it?
I have learned some new words and simple phrases.
Very nice. Have you practiced speaking again?
Yes, I have practiced speaking before bed.
That is a very strong habit.
I have repeated my daily routine sentences.
Wonderful. What have you done before sleeping?
I have brushed my teeth, and I have turned off the light.
Very good. How do you feel now?
I have felt calm and ready to sleep.
Excellent. That is a perfect way to end the day.
Yes, I have had a good day.
Let us do one more practice.
Yes, I am ready.
Tell me about your evening in one long answer.
I have come home. I have changed my clothes. I have eaten dinner. I have talked to my family. I have listened to English. I have practiced speaking. I have prepared my clothes for tomorrow, and I have gone to bed feeling calm and happy.
Let us talk a little more about your night routine.
Yes, I want to describe it in simple English.
What have you done after finishing your dinner?
I have cleaned the table, and I have helped my family.
Very good. That is a helpful habit.
I have also checked my school bag and my notebook.
Excellent. That shows you are prepared.
Yes, I have tried to stay organized.
What have you done after that?
I have sat quietly for some time and I have relaxed.
Nice. Relaxing is important after a busy day.
Yes, I have felt peaceful and calm.
Have you listened to English again at night?
Yes, I have listened to a short podcast before sleeping.
Very good. What have you learned from it?
I have learned new words and simple daily sentences.
That is excellent. Have you repeated the new words?
Yes, I have repeated them many times.
Wonderful. Repetition helps memory.
I have noticed that it helps me remember better.
Very good. Have you spoken English aloud?
Yes, I have spoken aloud while practicing my routine.
That is a great way to improve speaking.
I have felt more confident when I speak aloud.
What have you done before going to bed?
I have brushed my teeth and I have washed my face.
Good habit. What else have you done?
I have turned off my phone and I have prepared to sleep.
Excellent. That is a healthy night routine.
Yes, I have tried to sleep early.
How have you felt after finishing all your tasks?
I have felt happy because I have completed my work.
Very nice. That is a strong answer.
Thank you. I feel more comfortable talking about my day.
Let us do one more practice.
Yes, I am ready.
Tell me your full night routine again in simple English.
I have come home, I have changed my clothes, I have eaten dinner, I have talked with my family, I have listened to English, I have repeated new phrases, I have prepared for tomorrow, I have brushed my teeth, and I have gone to bed feeling calm and happy.
What have you done after you felt tired?
I have taken a short rest and I have drunk some water.
Very good. What have you done after that?
I have checked my messages and I have replied to my friends.
Nice. Have you spent time with your family?
Yes, I have talked with my family and I have enjoyed the time.
Excellent. Family time is very important.
Yes, I have felt happy when I talked to them.
Have you done anything for your English learning tonight?
Yes, I have read a few English sentences and I have repeated them aloud.
That is a very good habit.
I have also listened to a short English video.
Very good. What have you learned from it?
I have learned simple phrases about daily life.
Excellent. Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I have become more confident with daily practice.
That is wonderful. Confidence comes step by step.
I have understood that practice is very important.
What have you prepared for tomorrow?
I have prepared my clothes and I have packed my bag.
Very organized. What else have you done?
I have written my tasks for tomorrow.
Nice. That helps you start the next day easily.
Yes, I have felt less worried when I plan ahead.
Have you done anything before sleeping?
I have brushed my teeth and I have washed my face.
Good habits are always important.
Yes, I have tried to follow a healthy routine.
How have you felt at the end of the day?
I have felt calm, tired, and happy.
Excellent. That is a natural way to describe your day.
Thank you. I feel more relaxed speaking English now.
Let us do one last practice for tonight.
Yes, I am ready.
Tell me your full night routine in simple English.
I have come home, I have changed my clothes, I have eaten dinner, I have talked with my family, I have listened to English, I have repeated new phrases, I have prepared for tomorrow, I have brushed my teeth, and I have gone to bed feeling calm and happy.
Keep your English simple and clear.
Practice every day and speak with confidence.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.